Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting in Pages on your iPad, so open the app and pick a document type. A blank document is fastest. Make sure iCloud for Pages is on so changes save automatically and you can access versions later. Tap the plus icon to add text, then tap a text box to bring up the keyboard and formatting bar. Once done, glance at the top to confirm the document name, rename it for easier file management and to avoid creating duplicates. Now edit and format your content with intention. Select text and tap the paintbrush to choose font, size, color, paragraph spacing, and alignment so your layout reads clearly. To enrich the document, tap the plus button to insert images, shapes, tables, or charts. Use photos or files to import assets. Drag and drop or use the blue handles to resize and reposition elements. Make sure to lock or group objects when you're happy. Finish by reviewing layout, then use Share to export as PDF, Word, or keep as Pages depending on your recipient. Choose export settings for quality and compatibility. If collaborating, tap Collaborate to invite others with editing or view-only access and confirm permissions. If something goes wrong, like a missing save or sync error, toggle iCloud for Pages off and on, reopen the app, and verify available storage. Doing this refreshes syncing and often restores missing changes without losing your work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.